Hello guys, today I will show you how to hack last shelter survival game. Make sure you watch the full video. It will be absolutely easy and simple to follow tutorial, and you will not need rooted or jailbroken phone, so it will work on any Android or iOS device. So let's get into the tutorial. The first thing that you have to do is open a browser on your mobile phone and type ls, which stands for last shelter dot hacktrust.org, and I use this site and it works for me, and I'm pretty sure it will work for you. So the website is ls.hacktrust.org. Go to this website. When you enter this website, you will have to enter your username or email that you use for Google Play or Apple Store account. I'm just going to enter my username. After you enter your username or your email, select what device you play the game on. If you play it on, let's say, iPhone or iPad, click the iOS option and make sure you see that you chose an Apple device. But I'm going to click Android, click proceed. And after you connect to your account, select the amount of diamonds that you want. I always go for 500,000 option because why would you choose less, like 350,000, 125,000, 25,000 when you can select 500,000? Always go for the maximum. I always choose maximum because you get the most out of the site, plus your account never gets banned for using this hack. So always go for maximum. Click next. And now the survival last shelter hack will start adding the diamonds to your account. So all you need to do here is just wait, and that's simple. As you can see, it added 500,000 diamonds to my account. Now I'll have to verify that I'm not a bot, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And after that is done, it says human verification. You are almost done. Click on the verify now button below to complete human verification. After verification, you will receive diamonds instantly, so just click verify now. So for some reason the website is not loading for me. It must be because of my slow internet. So I'm just going to click verify now one more time. Okay guys, so for some reason the verification page is not loading for me, so I'm going to try it later. Oh no, so it finally loaded for me. So I'm going to show you what to do here. It says complete a human verification by downloading 2 free apps from the list below and following instructions. Once you have completed human verification correctly, diamonds will be added to your account instantly. So as soon as you complete this this verification page, as soon as you complete 2 offers, you will get the diamonds. So don't skip this part. It's very simple. If you have trouble verifying, ask your friend to do it for you. It says complete 2 more offers to unlock this page. So there are many free easy offers like trivias, quiz. It says complete the entire quiz, 20 questions, and your content will be unlocked. So I can do a quiz in like a minute. So 2 quizzes or 2 simple app installs will only cost you 2 minutes, and you get 500,000 diamonds for free. So don't skip this part. It's a very simple verification page. Again, the website is ls.hacktrust.org. If you have trouble verifying, there are 2 options. You can ask your friend to do it for you, try it on another phone, or I can do the verification for you, but you will have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section below, and with your username and what phone you play the game on, and I will send you 500,000 diamonds. But make sure you actually subscribe to me, because I will check it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and subscribe.